Hello everyone. This is the fourth question of exercise 5.2 and in this question we have to find the value of x in both these parts and we are given that these two lines are parallel to each other. So in this first part what we can do is we can let any angle to be A. We assume that angle because there is no direct relation between 110 degrees and x. So supposingly this is A. You can suppose this angle to be A also by firstly supposing this angle to be A. So A is equals to 110 degrees vertically opposite. Now angle A plus angle X is equals to 180 degree because sum of interior angle. So we know that A is equals to 110 degree. So X will be equals to 70 degrees. Or what you can do is, supposingly, this is the figure. This is 100 degrees. This is X. You can suppose this angle to be A. So A is equals to 100 degrees because of corresponding angle. And now angle A plus angle X is equals to 180 degrees, sum of angle on straight line. Sorry, this is 110 degrees. So this is 110. Angle A will be equals to 110 degrees, sum of angle on straight line. Now 110 plus X is equals to 180 degrees. X will be equals to 70 degrees. Both these methods are correct. And for this question, we are given that L and M are parallel to each other. A is the transversal. So 100 degrees and X will make corresponding angles to each other. So we can directly write X is equals to 100 degrees corresponding angle. Or the second way to solve this question is, suppose this angle to be Y. This is the second method. Then these two are forming interior angles. So 80 plus Y is equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle. Y is equals to 100 degrees. Now Y and X form corresponding angles. So this is also the way to solve this question. So this is how you can solve this question. For any queries or doubts, you can contact us through our YouTube channel or through our website, that is www.truemaths.com. Thank you.